Hello everyone. I remember I told us in my previous video that we should go into the farming of Ugu fruited pumpkin. This is my Ugu farm just beside my house. Many people complain that they don't have, their houses are flawed. That means it doesn't have soil because it's cemented or it's tiled. You can get sack and you practice sack farming. So the Ugu, I planted them. You can see I have more than 20 bags here. So the Ugu kept growing. I think I planted it about less than 2 weeks ago, and it kept growing and it's still growing. So what I have in mind is that if it grows so much that it's more than what we can eat, I'm going to get people who sell it, these Igbos that sell it, to buy it. Even if they buy it at a giveaway price, it is still profitable for me. So you can go into Ugu farming right there in the comfort of your home. So please take a cue from this and let's go into Ugu farming. So this is the seedling that I used to farm. I've given this out to many people. That's a seedling in the pure water nylon. I've given it out to many people. So you can go into sack farming. So you can imagine now you want to cook in the house. We don't need to buy from outside. All we need to do is to come to our Ugu farm and then we get what we need. So I bought ropes. You can see the ropes I bought from the sawmillers. So I use the rope and it extends to that side. I use the rope to tie it so that when it grows, it's going to climb on the rope and it will keep growing. So this is my Ugu farm. What are you waiting for? Please, I'm begging you. What are you waiting for? Why haven't you started your own Ugu farm? Start your Ugu farm today and you will thank me later with what you are going to use. So what happens is that every morning I water it. I put water because this is the dry season. So by the time it is rainy season, I don't need to put water again. The water naturally will water it. Then after some time, because it's in sack, the soil fertility will reduce. So what you need to do at that point is to get farmyard manure or poultry manure or cow dung. First of all, mix it with soil before you. So that soil you mix it with, just pour the soil on the surface to cover the roots further. So and then it's going to get down. And then from time to time you do that. Maybe every 1 month or every 2 months, you try to fertilize it again so that it will keep going. Every 3 months or every 4 months, it depends on you. Ugu is very, very fastidious. So that is that for now. Let's go into Ugu farming. I'll be bringing you updates as it goes. Bye for now.